Old tanker trailer. There she is. The beavers have moved in and dammed it back up somewhat. There's the axles. There was where we slid off. Old tanker trailer. All right, everybody, we are back at the creek. This is the creek where we almost lost our Deere Traco. Here's our 8-foot by 40-foot culvert. Josh is walking the John Deere down right now. Got the cap down here as well already. We'll walk over here and look. See what we got to deal with. Show y'all what our goal is for today. We are not installing the culvert today. We did not realize this until after the fact, until after we got the the John Deere pulled out. Right over here, right there is where it went down. One good thing, it is drier, a lot drier. Surface ground's a lot drier than it was last time we were here. But there's a tanker trailer in here for a culvert. The ground is just breaking away. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this whole thing is sloughing off. It's a mess. But that is a they told us, landowner came down here, said that was an old tanker trailer that they put in here. It's still got the wheels, axles, tires. That tree has grown through, I guess right beside or on top of the wheels on the back. But yep, and this is what we're going to try to do, is get this thing pulled out. You can see it's mostly buried in mud. So I don't know what we're going to get into. It's going to be a interesting event, to say the least. But if we can get it out, then we'll come back next week and put in the 8-foot culvert, and we'll have a lot of dirt to haul in and get this put back. So I'm gonna do the best I can to get what video footage I can. I don't know, we got brought one of the crews down today, so we got a lot of guys gonna be going, a lot of moving parts. We'll see what we get into. I'll try to video and do what I can as we go along. So I'll put the bucket back on the Deere. I'll come back up here and I'm going to dig some of this good material down a little bit. You know, our next thought was maybe we can move it with just the track hoe, no chains, no straps. You'll see me reach around here in a minute and get some digging mats, and I will lay some digging mats under my track hoe on the ground, and I'll walk up on those just for some stability. And I'm just trying to clean some of this dirt up where the bank had fallen off and caved in. I just want to get that kind of cleaned up, push this slot back down toward that tank, and have some kind of good material to somewhat be set up on. I definitely don't want to slide back off in that creek. So I'm just going to kind of work this bank, get my mats in place, get on those, and try to dig some of the mud out, break some suction on the tank, and try to move the tank with just the track hoe by itself.
Mud some heavy shit. That ain't nothing but flop. That shit's nasty. We're just trying to know where we're going. Do away with it.
I can feel the pressure, bro. It, no, I felt that fucking pressure come out of that pipe a second ago. It finished
Like a finger when it snapped in the face.
yeah. that where you ripped it? americano. 13 balones.
Oh, exactly. There's no place to fight us.
Uno lleva con el tanquear. Uno lleva con el tanquear.
Le tapan para allá, por izquierda, llegan un nuevo río aquí, cuando ponen el rollo, ya está pasando eso.
Pero sí que dan de calco allá abajo. A ver, ¿quieren cortarlo?
Golpea esto, yo creo que se quieren cruzar para allá porque hay una carretera.
Pero lo mismo, para la capa se queda. Como dice la capa, el rollo.
So as y'all saw, I was not able to move the tanker really at all. So I'm kind of repositioning here. At this point, we figured out we're not going to get the tank out. So I'm getting my mats repositioned. I'm going to walk up on that end and kind of dig out around the tank and let water flow down beside it. You know, it's not going to do much. It's pretty dry up here right now. There's not much flow in the creek, but we just kind of wanted to get it smoothed up, let water flow around it. Maybe it would carry some of the silt stuff around the tank, and at least keep flowing water going down through the creek. Well, here's the update after round 2. Obviously, we are no further along than we were. We were not able to move the tanker. She's pretty much in there for the most part. 25 years of silt. I mean, that entire tube is full of silt. The axles are grown, you know, tree grown into the axles. It is what it is. We did figure out the frame is still attached. You can't see it, but the frame is still attached to the trailer as well. So, I mean, that trailer itself is going to be 15, 16, 18,000 pounds. Then you count for 3.5 foot, 3 foot of silt that's silted in, plus the suction. It was a long shot, but you know, I'm not one to give up. I'm going to try everything I can. But anyway, our next plan will be, we know about 4 foot of this mud is solid ground. We're going to come back next week, and our plan is to dig out this slush, this slop that's in here, and we're going to do a clay haul in clay. We'll clay the bottom, and then we'll build clay up. We'll force all this slop out both sides and we will seal this off with clay, raise it up with clay. We'll move over right in here, and we will take the culvert, we'll dig this out. We'll dig back out up this way. We'll dig this out through here and dig in between these trees and basically reroute this creek. We'll dig this out and put the 8-foot culvert in right here. We'll have a good solid foundation on this side of it, good road on this side, and we'll lift it with clay. And we'll take all this slop and this mud, we'll throw it in the banks over here to get rid of it. Throw this over this way to get rid of it. And Mother Nature will take care of the rest. And that'll get the culvert in and get us wrapped up on this project. So the first round, I'm gonna say the creek won. This round, I'm gonna call it a draw. I'm gonna be optimistic. We didn't lose any equipment. We didn't lose any mats. We broke one strap, one chain, which I kind of expected because the straps are secondhand. They were no longer certified for use on a job site, so due to cuts and marks on them. So they wasn't like they were new. They were old used straps. But we didn't lose anything. We didn't tear anything up. We're walking away with our pride still on us. Just got our feelings hurt that we didn't get it out. But given the conditions, I was not very optimistic about it coming out. So we are going to go back to the shop, haul all our gear back, and see what else we can do to finish out the day. It's Friday after New Year's. New Year's Day was yesterday. Hope everybody had a happy New Year's. We're going to see what we can get into next week.